Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my instant locks. It's not my favorite thing to do because it is cheating the process and it takes forever. You know, I'm one of the natural girlies. I thought it was the perfect time to just go ahead and film it. So first I start off by making my parts. I try to get it as clean as possible the first time, but I don't really put too much stress on it until I add the product. So I add the product just on the base of her hair, right where the retwist will be, because I still retwist it like it's locks afterwards so they can be fresh. Then after I put the product in, it makes it easier to see the parts and get them as straight as I want them to be. Now I'm just sectioning her hair and sizing the locks so I won't have to worry about that when I'm actually doing the instant lock process. Okay, so first I tease her hair. After I tease the lock, I retwist the root again, and when I go in with the crochet needle, I'm going at all types of different angles and working my way down. Most of the time I stay at one angle as I go down one time, and then I twist the lock and then go at a different angle and go down the lock again. And it just makes it quicker and easier, and it actually gives you a little pattern to go by if that's what you need. The goal is just to tangle the hair so it doesn't have to be any kind of perfect certain pattern. One of the key things is to weave your way through the lock by going up and down as you go through the lock and then going straight across as you pull the hair to the other side. So when I do this, I don't snatch the crochet needle all the way out because you can break her hair. So I'm just pulling and tugging it to each side of her lock and rotating the lock as I go. I try to leave a few strands at the ends to make the curls that everybody loves. Then I go back and retwist the top of the lock and place my clip as if I just did a retwist. Then when I get to the ends, I take my gel and I just twirl my finger and enhance the curl at the bottom. And that's that. Now we have a lock. A pretty one. I got a little more footage of me just crocheting and changing angles, and so you can see the motion in real time. I'm going up and down the lock and I'm rotating the lock as I go. And the more you do this, the more it looks like a lock. Just don't overthink it, it's easy. We're basically just speeding up the process of tangling the hair. If you can see, I know it's kind of hard, but I'm weaving the needle through the lock and I'm not just going straight across. When you weave it through, it helps the process go faster and just saves time. And yeah, that's basically how I do my instant locks. Nothing too complicated, just tangle the hair. That's the best advice I could give you. Thank y'all for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, don't forget to rate it. And if it didn't, comment and tell me what I didn't address. Any questions, any concerns, let me know. And it took me about 10 hours to do, so it was kind of lengthy, but it could have been worse. Here is some behind the scenes of the footage that I actually posted on my social media. And this is the finished product. I'm so happy with how they came out, and so is she. She basically just wanted to skip the locking process. It's the summertime. She wanted to be swimming and sweating with no worries. The comb coils weren't really her style, so she went with instant locks. I wouldn't do it, but I understand. And this is the style that she wanted, and I just think it looks so cute. They're just so pretty. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.